Hi. Firstly, thank you for your interest in owning a Seventh Heaven franchisee. I would first like to introduce Seventh Heaven to you. We are a 9-year-old company and are the largest bakery chain in terms of number of cities covered in India. We have more than 150 outlets in more than 75 different cities all over India, be it Tier 1, Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities. We have franchisee outlets in Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Nanded, Darbhanga, Nagpur, Pune, Baroda, Haridwar, Mangalore, Guwahati, etc. Seventh Heaven is the largest bakery franchisee chain with live kitchen in India. With our live kitchen concept, we prepare fresh cakes in front of the customer in just 7 minutes. We serve a wide range of international desserts and cakes like cupcakes, French macaroons, donuts, brownies, chocolates, cookies, tarts, customized cakes, photo cakes, 3D cakes, etc. Our Seventh Heaven Plus model also has an exclusive range of international desserts, ice creams, waffles, and beverages at a very reasonable price. We also have a cafe model with a live kitchen serving intercontinental foods like pizzas, pastas, burgers, nachos, soups, starters, noodles, etc. We serve Chinese, Italian, Mexican, and American cuisine all under one roof. Now coming to the benefits of owning a Seventh Heaven bakery or a food franchisee from us. First, it's a very safe business. In every area of the country, hundreds and hundreds of people have birthdays every day. Plus, there are anniversaries and various occasions like New Year's, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Teacher's Day, and so on and on when cakes are bought. So there is always a very high demand for cakes. And regarding food, well, we all know that Indians love to eat out. If you wish, we can also help you tie up with event managers, restaurants, corporates, online food delivery services, party and wedding organizers, other B2B related shops who can sell your products for further expansion of your outlet sales. Second, high profit. Food business has very high margins. Our philosophy is to share most of the profit with our franchisee, and we believe that first our franchisee needs to be profitable, only then can we be profitable in the long term. We offer a margin unparalleled. The food cost is approximately 25% and you get a gross margin of 60%. Normally, other franchisees give approximately 25 to 30% margins only. The net profit can be approximately 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees per month, depending on your location and other factors. Please note that this amount is the net profit after all expenses are deducted. Third, it's a very easy to run business. The entire setup of the shop and kitchen is done by selected third-party contractors, including full interiors, equipments, and machines. You do not need any experience or knowledge of this business to run it. We have all types of people running our franchises. Professionals who have given up their jobs to be independent businessmen and earn according to their capabilities and own multiple outlets of ours. Ladies who wish to own a prestigious business and not be time-bound by their offices. Elderly people seeking a good regular source of income. Young people wanting to start out on their own in a safe manner, and so on. We shall set your business up in a manner which is easy to run. We help you find chefs and send trainers at the outlets to train them with the recipes. Fourth, the investment is quite low. With a very reasonable amount, you become the owner of a very well-known and a famous franchisee. Comparatively, our franchisee cost is much lower than other franchisors as we don't believe in making profit in your expenses. For this investment, you get a prestigious business having a modern, international style, contemporary cake and dessert or a food outlet. Fifth, we are the largest pan-India franchisee offering a live kitchen, be it in the bakery or the cafe, where cakes are made in front of the customers in just 7 minutes. Most of the other cake shops sell 1 day or even 2 day old cakes, whereas we pride ourselves on selling cakes made fresh. Who doesn't prefer a fresh cake? Once awareness is created in your market about our fresh cakes, Seventh Heaven will outshine other cake brands no matter how old or popular. In fact, we have very successful franchisees in many popular areas that have multiple other bakeries and cake stores. Our cakes are preferred by many celebrities and corporate companies on a regular basis. Sixth, most bakeries basically sell cakes and pastries only. Firstly, we make not only regular cakes but photo cakes, shape cakes and 3D designer cakes. Secondly, we have a very big range of desserts with items like cupcakes, brownies, donuts, French macaroons, cookies, tarts, mousse, muffins, bar cakes, chocolates, various savory products. These various desserts add nearly 40% extra business to a regular cake shop. 7. We do many things regularly to create awareness of our outlet. Right from a professional launch offering the free cupcakes, pastries on the opening day to multiple promotions, suggestions for all important calendar occasions. Festivals, advertising campaigns, membership schemes, online tie-ups, social media participation and so on. 8th, frequently we get new recipes developed by experienced chefs. We regularly keep increasing and introducing new and internationally successful products so as to keep our outlets contemporary. 9. We have more than 2,000 designs of 3D designer cakes in more than 40 categories to suit almost every demand of the customer for a special cake. 10. We provide a complete calculation with breakup of your expected expenses and income in a transparent manner. 11. If required by you, we help you tie up with event managers, restaurants, corporates, online food delivery services, party and wedding organizers, other B2B related shops who can sell your products for further expansion of your outlet sales. 12. We believe that quality and taste is extremely important and therefore use the very high quality of raw material so that there are no issues at all of quality and taste, which eventually leads to a strong customer support base. Our products are used by well-known celebrities and big corporate houses too. Ratings of our products on various online food sites and blogging sites are very good. 13th, the interiors done for 7th Heaven are selected by third-party vendors, which are very contemporary and modern, giving an international look to the whole outlet. People feel proud of purchasing a 7th Heaven cake. 14th, we have a professional team of managers and assistants to help you improve your business or solve any problems you may have. We have the expertise of developing the business of our franchisees by giving them valuable support, providing new items, helping you find chefs when required, modern management methods, professionally designed occasion-based offers, online awareness, promotional ideas, etc. 15. Pricing. We price ourselves very aggressively and competitively. Our prices are very low so as to capture the whole market of your area. We believe in giving highest quality with lowest prices, which is possible as a profit margin in the food business is really high. 16. We help in finding raw material vendors in your area. The required raw materials used are of best quality and you do not have the stress of sourcing and buying from various suppliers from all over India. 17. You can be assured of friendly and professional support from us. We are a very well-known and a prestigious brand in Mumbai, expanding all over India, running more than 150 franchisees. All that you require is a well-located shop, owned or rented. Take our franchisee now, as our franchisee rates keep on increasing regularly. We believe our franchisee cost is low at the moment and may go up at any time. Become a proud owner of a 7th Heaven franchisee and we hope to have a relationship with you, where one day you will be the owner of multiple 7th Heaven franchisees. Please note that all benefits mentioned in this message are dependent on many factors like location of the shop, the way it is run by the owner, the promotions done, etc. There is no guarantee of any profits or sale, etc. The details and information provided in this video may change at any time without prior intimation and the video may or may not be updated with latest information. For more details, please visit our website www.7thheaven.in. If you have any queries, doubts or need any more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Please also forward this message to any relative or friend who may wish to be independent and run a successful business of their own. Thank you once again for contacting us. Have a great day.